Okay, hello and welcome back again. Now, we have shown you about registering your domain name, setting up your hosting. We showed you how to install WordPress to your domain name. The domain name for the last example was bestbikesinuk.com. Basically, we bought the domain name, we set up the hosting, and now what we've done is we have installed WordPress. Now, I've installed it just to a temporary site, as you can see up here. Of my own. If you had installed it to your domain name, that would be bestbikesinuk.com. I have just called it WP for the WordPress test site and put it on here, so you will come to the same picture as I'm getting here now, the same screen. So it doesn't look a very impressive site, but we are going to tweak that and change that over the next couple of videos to make it look pretty impressive and so user friendly. This is one of the easiest things to get onto, so without further ado, let's get into it. Now, obviously, this is the site that you or anybody that goes to your web address will see. You can't edit here, so the quickest way to get into what they call your dashboard is up at your domain name there, put in WP admin. WP-admin. That will always take you to your dashboard. That's WordPress admin, and this is the first screen you'll see. So if there's an update away there and get the latest version of WordPress. WordPress 4.1 is now available. I think this is version 4. But anyhow, this is what you see. So this is just what they call the dashboard. What we'll do is we will create pages, we will install plugins, we will put a header in here. First thing we need to do is maybe get a theme as well to make it look good. So what does it look like if somebody went to your site just now? Well, if you go here, you can go straight to visit site. I want to keep this page up, so what I'll do is right click, open link in new tab, so it creates a new tab. Actually, I'll get rid of some of these here and it's less messy. Okay, open link in new tab. There's the new tab opening up there now. It's deciding to be slow for some reason. If you click that, that's what your site looks like. And any changes you make, obviously, you go back to your dashboard. It's handy to switch between the two tabs there. So that's what I do. You can do as you please. So appearance is generally where I go to first, and themes. I want to get a basic theme for what it looks like. 2011, wherever it is, it's not on here. That's 2014, 2013. It just depends on what you like. I like the 2011 theme because it's clean, it's simple, it's easy to use. I'm sure these are much the same here anyhow, but if you want to look for let me see. No, that's install themes. Add new. And TW. I can nearly spell TWENTYELEVEN. You can search for them by color, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. We're going to stick with this for now. You can change it as you like. It's searching for 2011. There it is there. Picture's not great, but it's the layout I like. It's clean. So install now. And this would be the same process for any theme that you get. You install it. It's installing the theme, successfully installed, and then you have to activate it to make it live. If you install it, it just sits there, but it doesn't become active until you hit active. So we go back here to our live site tab, we will hit the refresh, and here's our new theme. So obviously we want to change the picture, we want to change the title, there's a few things we want rid of, we don't want all this stuff down here. We want to create 2 or 3 pages here. So let's go back to the dashboard. Under appearance here, we can go customize the theme. So the title and tagline, it says here WordPress test site. That's just what we've called it. You call it what you like. Best bikes in UK. The tagline you can do with or do without. it's up to you really what you want to do. Colors, you can pick colors. I'm pretty happy with the colors that's there. Layout, header image is one. I will show you maybe in a later video how to create your own header image for that there. It's pretty straightforward. You can pick all the other header images down there, or you can create your own. These are the default ones. There's nothing there with bikes on it that I can see. Anyway, after you make changes here, save and publish. That will make your changes take effect. That's the site there, but if you refresh, it should take effect with the new changes. Okay, I've actually picked an image that keeps changing, and that's a different image there. See, keeps changing. But anyway, the best bikes in UK is there. We want a static header, or for this here we do. So if I go into header and go down, obviously it says here random, show a different image on each page. Every page you go to, this image will change. I don't particularly want that. I would like to keep the image the same throughout. So select image. The image should be 1000 pixels wide. That's basically from there to there. Yeah, 1000 wide. And 288 pixels high. So that's from there to there. So whenever you're getting your designer to design it, or if you're doing it yourself on Photoshop, which I will show in a different video, it's 1000 pixels by 288 pixels. That's by the way. So if you have a header done already and it's on your computer, you can go choose file. There's actually the header there for my website. Open, it'll bring it in. Oh, upload, it'll bring it in, and then you can choose the image. That's the image on my main site. Crop and publish. I don't particularly want to crop it at all, just let it be as is. Always remember to save changes. Okay, now this has nothing to do with bikes. The point is I'm just showing you a header. So if you go back up here to preview your site, obviously it hasn't changed yet until you refresh. There it is, best bikes in UK at amazing prices. That's my header. These are the pages down here, the menu bar, and obviously there's some stuff here we want to tidy up that's not required for these mini sites, but you get the idea so far. So we'll cut this video here and we'll move on to the next one, and I'll see you there. I hope you've got something out of this, and you certainly will be able to build up a good knowledge as we go along. So I'll see you in a tick.